Question 6. A piece of wood measures y cm in length and 3x cm in width. A worker intends to cut a piece of wood into two small triangular pieces of wood. The perimeter of each triangle is 24 cm, and the longest side of either triangle is x plus y cm. Calculate the area in cm square of the original piece of wood. First, we are told that there's a piece of wood measuring y cm in length and 3x cm in width. And it is cut into two small triangular pieces of wood. The perimeter of each triangle is 24 cm, and the longest side is x plus y cm. This will be the length, and this will be the width. Let's form the equations. Perimeter is equal to 24. 3x plus y plus 3x plus y is equal to 24. Simplify the equation. 6x plus 2y is equal to 24. We divide the whole equation by 2. 3x plus y is equal to 12. And we make y our subject. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x. We let it be equation 1. Since the triangle is triangle-triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Y square plus 3x square is equal to x plus y square. We expand the bracket. Y square plus 9x square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. We bring all the terms to the left side and let it be 0. Y square minus y square plus 9x square minus x square minus 2xy is equal to 0. Simplify the equation. Y square minus y square is gone. 9x square minus x square, we get 8x square minus 2xy is equal to 0. We let it be equation 2. Now we can solve for our simultaneous equation. We substitute equation 1 into equation 2. 8x square minus 2x multiplied with 12 minus 3x is equal to 0. We expand the bracket. 8x square minus 24x plus 6x square is equal to 0. We simplify the equation. 8x square plus 6x square, we get 14x square minus 24x is equal to 0. We factorize 2x outside. 2x bracket 7x minus 12 is equal to 0. Hence, for the equation to be 0, is either 2x is equal to 0, x is 0, or 7x minus 12 is equal to 0, 7x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 over 7. For this case, x equal to 0 is invalid. Then we need to find our y. We substitute x equals to 12 over 7 into equation 1. Y is equal to 12 minus 3 multiplied with 12 over 7. We simplify the equation. 84 minus 36 over 7. We get 48 over 7. The question is not asking for the values of x and y, but they are asking for the area for the original piece of wood. Therefore, the area is 3x multiplied with y, that is 3 times 12 over 7 times 48 over 7. Hence, the area is 1728 over 49 cm square. Last question, question 7. The diagram below shows a rectangular piece of cardboard ABCD of length 7x meter and width y meter. AED is a semicircle. Given that the area of the cardboard is 28 meters square and the perimeter of ABCDE is 26 meter, find the diameter and radius of the semicircle. We are told that for the rectangular piece of cardboard ABCD, the length is 7x meter and the width is y meter. AED is a semicircle. Area of the cardboard is 28 meters square and the perimeter of ABCDE is 26 meter. We are asked to find the diameter and the radius of the semicircle. Area is equal to 28 meters square. Area will be 7x multiplied with y is equal to 28. We divide both sides by 7. Xy is equal to 28 over 7, that is 4. We let it be equation number 1. We also know that perimeter is equal to 26. Perimeter ABCDE is made up from AB, BC, CD, and also the arc DEA. Recall the formula for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. For the arc DEA, it will be half the circumference. Hence, we just need to divide it by 2. And we know that the length of BC is 7x. Therefore, the radius for the semicircle will be 7x over 2. AB is a y. BC is 7x. CD is a y. And the arc DEA will be 2 pi 7x over 2 divided by 2. And the equation is equal to 26. We simplify the equation. Y plus y, we have 2y plus 7x plus 7 pi x. We change the pi to 22 over 7. Multiply by 7x. Divide by 2 is the same as multiply 1 over 2 is equal to 26. We further simplify the equation. We get 2y plus 7x plus 11x is equal to 26. We simplify the equation. 2y plus 18x is equal to 26. We divide the whole equation by 2. Y plus 9x is equal to 13. And we make y our subject. Y is equal to 13 minus 9x. We let it be equation 2. Now we have obtained both equations. Let's solve for it. Substitute equation 2 into equation 1. X multiplied with 13 minus 9x is equal to 4. We expand the bracket. 13x minus 9x squared is equal to 4. We rearrange it into general form. 9x squared minus 13x plus 4 is equal to 0. We need to solve for this quadratic equation. For this question, I choose to use formula. Our A is a 9, B is a negative 13, and C is a 4. X is equal to negative B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A. We simplify the equation. 13 plus minus square root of 25 over 18. That is 13 plus minus 5 over 18. Our first x value is 13 plus 5 over 18. That is 18 over 18, 1. And the second x value, 13 minus 5 over 18, we get 8 over 18, that is 4 over 9. Then we solve for our y. Substitute x equal to 1 into equation 2. Y is equal to 13 minus 9 multiplied by 1. 13 minus 9, we get 4. Substitute x equal to 4 over 9 into equation 2 as well. Y is equal to 13 minus 9 multiplied with 4 over 9. We simplify the equation. We get 13 minus 4, that is 9. Therefore, we have two sets of answer. When x is 1, y is a 4. When x is 4 over 9, y is a 9. Let's check the validity of our answer. When x is equal to 1, the length will be 7 multiplied with 1, we get 7. And the width is equal to y, which is 4. The length is longer than the width. When the x is equal to 4 over 9, the length is equal to 7 multiplied with 4 over 9, which is 28 over 9, approximately 3.11, and the width is a 9. All the values for our length and width are positive, hence all answers are accepted. However, the question is not asking for the values of x and y. They are asking for the diameter and the radius of the semicircle. The diameter will just be the length of the rectangle. When x equals to 1, the diameter is equal to 7 and the radius is 7 over 2. When x is equal to 4 over 9, the diameter is 28 over 9 and the radius will be 14 over 9. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hope it helps you in your study. See you again in the next video.